Hey, John Jones here in the workshop again. I'm making this video for Future John. So, hey, how's it going, Future John? I just wanted to take a minute and show you something, or more or less take you through with me, because I'm learning some of this as we will be moving through this. Some of the things for tapping a galvanized steel half-inch pipe. I have experience tapping threads and using dies before to put threading on like PVC pipes and some metals, but never done anything quite robust or quite as durable as this galvanized steel pipe here. Comes from Home Depot. I need some 8-inch sections tapped with threads on both ends, so I'm going to try to do that right now, and we'll see how it goes. I have this die here, which I'm going to be using. We'll be clamping it into the vise over here, cutting it down using this bandsaw. So let's go ahead and get started and see how this goes. Okay, so now we have, it was a 4x4 that I planed down a bit just to make it look a little better. Then cut it on the table saw, drilled a 7/8 inch hole through it using a Forstner bit. And then I cut with the table saw 2 passes up to that hole. So hopefully this will enable me to slip that in there and then put this in the jaws of the vise, and if all goes well, it should hold the pipe exactly how I want it to. Never tried this before, so let's see what it does, but I have high hopes for this. So let's keep moving. Okay, so I have all 5 pieces that I'm going to be tapping, both ends laid out here. I've already completed one just to kind of get a feel for the die over here and how it actually performs with this material, this pipe. Works pretty well. It does take a little bit of muscle. It does take some clamping to get it in the vise. I ended up foregoing the block of wood that I made to hold it in place. I found that just putting this pipe wrench on it and kind of letting the tension of the pipe wrench hold it in place works pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and run through the other 4 of these pipes. This is going to take some calories to get through. Kind of have to lean your whole body into this thing to make it cut. but it does cut. It cuts well. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. These are the 5 threaded pipes that I will be needing, 8 inches long each, and so here we go. Okay, and here we are some time later. I have the 5 8-inch galvanized steel pipes here with threads on the ends. And for my specific application where I'm going to be using these things, they'll need to connect to some 1/2-inch couplers. So these are off-the-shelf 1/2-inch couplers from the store. And let's see how these threads work. Let's give it a go. Here's number 1. Seems to thread just fine. Number 2. Again, threads just fine. Yep, that thread's just fine. So, we're 5 for 5 here, with the parts at least, for these threads. The tool worked very well. I'll probably be keeping it around, maybe try putting threads on some PVC pipes. I work a lot with 1/2-inch PVC pipes to make frames and whatnot for various projects. So this technique could come in handy. Pretty satisfied. Did take some effort to actually put these threads on, but nothing that a little tapping fluid and this little tool can't do. So I'll call that a success. John Jones signing off for now. Catch you later.